Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program conducted by Modern English School, Nevada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Now, today, this is your lecture number. This is our lecture number 6, and we are going to solve some problem of exercise 4A. So, we are going to discuss question number 5 of exercise 4A, chapter cubes and cube roots. Now let's see. So question number 5 is, which of the following are cubes of an even number? So here there is a concept we have to see. Let us consider some even number and let us consider some odd number. 2 and 4 are even, 3 and 5 are odd. So what is the cube of an even number? 5. 2 cube is 8 and 4 cube is 64. What is the cube of an odd number? 3 cube is 27 and 5 cube is 125. So here what we observe is that cube of an even number is also even, and the cube of an odd number is also odd. So even cube of an even number is even and odd number is odd. So we will use this concept in this problem. We have to find which of the following are the cubes of an even number in question number 5. So in this problem we have just to select the even number. So only even numbers will be the answer. So 216 is even, 512 is even, and 1000 is even. So this will be the answer. So similarly we can solve question number 6. Which of the following are the cubes of an odd number? So here we know that the cube of an odd number is an odd number. So all the odd numbers will be our answer. 125 will be the answer, 343 and 9261. So 1, first, second and fifth are the answer. Now let us discuss some more problems. Question number 7, 1323. So the question number 7 is saying, by what smallest number 1323 should be multiplied? By what smallest number 1323 should be multiplied so that the product, the new number, by what smallest number 1323 should be multiplied so that the new number will be a perfect cube. So in order to solve this problem, first find the prime factorization of 1323. Divided by 3, 4, 41. Again divide by 3, 147. Again divide by 3, 49. 7, 7. So I can write 1323 as a product of these prime factors. 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So here 3 is multiplied with 3 how many times? 3 times. 3 is multiplied with itself 3 times. So here one triplet is formed, but triplet of 7 is not formed here. 7 is only multiplied with itself only 2 times. 1 7 is missing. So if we multiply this number with one more 7, then the triplet of 7 will be formed. If we multiply this number with one more 7, then we can form the triplet of 7, and the new number, our new number so formed will definitely be a perfect cube. So what is our answer? What least number should be multiplied with this number? The answer is 7. The answer is 7. So similarly, you can solve question number 10. Question number 10 is saying, by what smallest number 8788 should be divided so that the new number formed, the new number, I am writing it in short form NN, so that the new number so formed will be a perfect cube. So similarly, in order to solve this problem, find the prime factor of this. Divide it by 2, 4, 3, 9, 4. Again divide with 2, 2, 1, 9, 7. I think it is divisible by 13. 13. So I can write, okay, so I can write it 1, okay, I can write 8788 as a product of 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. So here triplet of 13 is formed, but triplet of 2 is not formed. So by what number we should divide? So in order to make it a perfect cube, there are two ways. Two ways we can make this number a perfect cube. Either, if the question is asked by what smallest number you should multiply, then the answer will be 2. 2 should be multiplied. Why? 2 2 is multiplied with 2 times. 2 2's are already there. So we need one more 2 to form the triplet. So it should be multiplied by 2. But in case of division, what should we do? We have to remove those factors which are not forming triplet. We have to remove. How we remove that? By dividing. By dividing it with 2 to the 4. It will cancel out, and the resulting answer will be a perfect cube. So what is our answer? The smallest number we should divide it so that it will form a perfect cube is 4. 4 is the right answer. And what is our new number form? After dividing it 4, you can divide it 19197, and it is the cube of 30. So student, in this way you will solve such type of problem. So your today's homework will be complete exercise 4A 5 to 10. So complete it. Okay. Thanks student. Thank you for watching.